How to buy hosting from Hostinger. What you have to do, is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, the buying procedure of buying your hosting from Hostinger is very easy. I will also give two of the finest coupon codes which I have generated exclusively for my audience, which are gonna give you further discount on already running discount deals. So here we look at Hostinger as a general. We look around on the reviews, amazing reviews on different websites. You can see yourself, like look at the reviews. Out of 5, 4.6 or 4.8 out of 5 are just amazing. These three are their popular plans. What I like about Hostinger is that, like, you're getting amazing performance. Then you can host your website on SSD. You are getting weekly or daily backup option, free SSL, free domain, free bandwidth, a lot of free stuff. You're also getting managed WordPress. You're also getting WooCommerce in some plans. You're also getting free automatic website migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. All of the plans offer free one-click WordPress installation. You're getting no-code website builder with 150 plus design crafted templates, amazing e-commerce features, amazing security features. You are also getting 30 days money back guarantee with all of the plans, 99.9% uptime guarantee. And like, you can host your website in different countries like USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, Netherlands. So you can see that Hostinger also provides maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology, which makes them as one of the fastest hosting company around. So now look around on the plans. Let's say we are going with this plan. Buying the procedure is very easy. We just have to simply select the add to cart. Once you select the add to cart, we will be redirected to another page. On that page, we are going to see the summary of what you are going to buy or purchase from Hostinger. Here we can see the summary. Now choose your billing period. Let's say we are going into 48 months because that is the most cheapest option. Then you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID, or we can synchronize with your Google or Facebook account by simply clicking on the Google or Facebook button, and then select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods, so you can select any payment method according to your preference. Once you select your payment method, select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply button. You're going to see that a price code of further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use, which is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply button and you're going to see that a price got a further discount. So the buying procedure of buying your hosting from Hostinger is very easy. I also gave two of the finest coupon codes which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link can give you further discount. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Thank you.